Hello everybody, Toby here again with 216 Auto Restoration, 1972 GMC Suburban 4x4, 3-seater, 3-door. Just wanted to show you that I did get the engine compartment cleaned out. Sure enough, don't have any pictures of that yet. But what I have done, I'm getting ready to paint the white on the bottom down here. I got all this taped off with the help of my lovely wife. And she boogied out of here before I could catch her. As soon as we were done, she was gone. Yeah, she don't want no part of the video thing. But I got all this taped off, so the whole roof is gonna be white. The very bottom is gonna be white, just like from the factory. Got it all taped off. All this is gonna be white up in here, all the way around there. And the roof, and then everything else below is going to be blue, and then the very bottom will be white. So I just got to tape off around my wheels. Pretty much got everything ready to go. And it was quite the chore to get this done. So laid that plastic over the whole vehicle, took a razor knife, cut it all the way around the whole top, all the way around the whole vehicle, pulled that center section out, and then had to tape all of that plastic up there. And basically do the same thing on the bottom. So it was really good that my wife came out and helped me, because it's quite the pain in the rear to get that done. And this plastic sheeting that I use, get it right from autobodynow.com. They make it in a couple different sizes, 16 by 350, and I think they go like a 12 by 400 or something. But anyways, here you go. I know that last video I was talking about the seals. I did get the seals in, so got my rear windows removed. And let me just show you here. Here's all my painted pieces. Here are the new seals. Right here. Got them laid out and sitting on my heated floors so they'll warm up. And here are the windows that I pulled out. Well, here's one of them, the other one's underneath. But now I got it basically completely stripped down, inside stripped, and it is ready to go. Yeah, it'll be nice white. As soon as I get that done, I'm gonna take all the tape off in a day or two. Well, tomorrow I'll get all the tape off, taken off after I get it painted and clear coated. And then I'm gonna come back and take, like I said, take all the tape off, retape all the white, and paint the inside blue. And then once that's done, retape it again and tape it again and paint the outside blue. So I think I've got to go buy some more rolls of tape. It's gonna be a lot of tape and a lot of plastic. But anyways, everybody, thank you for following along. If you like it, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down or some comments or whatever. 1972 GMC Suburban, and Toby here with 216 Auto Restoration. Thank you very much. Take care.